Hi, I am Anastasia Ida. In this video, we will learn about volume measurements and volume unit conversions. In learning to measure volume, we can use a measuring cup to measure volume. For the volume unit conversion here, we use a tool, namely a board covered with flannel, inside which we put styrofoam so that later we can attach the pushpin easily. Then we use a number line.
Di dalamnya kita letakkan styrofoam agar nanti kita bisa memasangkan pushpin ini dengan mudah. Kemudian kita menggunakan garis bilangan. Garis bilangannya bisa kita buat dari
We can make the number line from textured paper.
Kemudian pada garis bilangan ini
Then on this number line, we put the dots for the unit volume.
Pada titik tersebut, kita letakkan tulisan dan juga tulisan dalam huruf braille.
At that point, we put ink and also write in braille, so that students who are blind can find out the units on this number line. From the left, we start with the largest unit, the kiloliter. It has the letters KL in the braille. Then move to the right hectoliters, decaliters, deciliters, centiliters, and milliliters. Before we start learning, we ask students to orient this tool. Then they read the volume units in this number line. If we move these units point to the right, we multiply them by 10. Every time we move to the right, we multiply them by 10.
Kalau kita bergerak ke arah kanan, maka kita kalikan dengan 10. Setiap kali bergerak ke kanan, kita kalikan 10, gitu ya.
From the largest to where we are asked later to convert the units. On the contrary, if you move from the right to the left, then every unit point moves once, then we divide it by 10.
Setiap satu titik satuan bergeraknya satu kali, maka kita bagi dengan 10. Sebagai contoh, misalnya
For example, 3 decaliters is equal to how much milliliters?
mililiter. Kita cari dulu.
We first find out where the decaliters point is. Starting from the right, kiloliters, hectoliters, decaliters. Now we find it. Then the milliliters is located to the right of it at the very end, the right end. This means that we can count how many units point we have passed from decaliter to liter, then deciliter, centiliter, milliliters.
Liter 1, desiliter 2, centiliter 3, mililiter 4. Berarti
That means we multiply 10 to liters, then multiply again by 10 to deciliters, multiply again 10 to centiliters, multiply again 10 to milliliters.
maka 3 dekaliter itu sama
So 3 decaliters are equal to 3 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. The result is 10,000 milliliters.
mililiter. Contoh yang kedua.
The second example, 5 liters plus 2 deciliters equals how many centiliters?
Dengan titik-titik sentiliter. Maka kita ubahnya satu-satu. 5 liter dulu ke sentiliter.
Let's change them one by one. 5 liters to centiliters. 5 liters is here and centiliters is to the right of it. So from the liter to centiliter through deciliter to centiliter, we pass 2 units point. So 5 liters equals 5 times 10 times 10 equals 500 centiliters.
2 desiliter posisinya ada di sini. Kita akan ubah ke sentiliter, berarti bergerak ke
Then
kanan.
2 deciliters is here and the centiliter is to the right of it. From deciliter to centiliter, move 1 point to the right. So 2 deciliters equals 2 times 10 equals 20 centiliters. 5 liters plus 2 deciliters equals 500 centiliters plus 20 centiliters equals 520 centiliters. Okay, the third example, 2000 centiliters plus 1 liters equals how many deciliters?
Sama dengan titik-titik desiliter.
Let's convert from centiliters to deciliters. From centiliters, moving to deciliters means shifting to the left once or 1 point.
Sebanyak satu kali atau satu titik. Maka kita bagi dengan 10.
Then we divide it by 10. 2000 is divided by 10 equals 200. Then from 1 liter, we change it to deciliters, meaning shift to the right by 1 point, which means times 10. 1 times 10 equals 10. So 2000 divided by 10, the result is 200, plus 1 times 10, the result is 10. Then 2000 centiliters plus 1 liters equals 210 deciliters.
1 liter sama dengan 210 desiliter. Contoh berikutnya.
Next, we have 150 liters plus 300 deciliters equals how many hectoliters?
Desiliter sama dengan titik-titik hektoliter.
The 150 liters point is here, then we will change it to the hectoliter, which is on the left. Pass the decaliter and then the hectoliter. This means that there are 2 unit points skipped. Then 150 is divided by 10. Again divided by 10. Then 300 deciliters.
Dibagi lagi 10. Kemudian
We will change it to hectoliters, which means shifting to the left, past liters, decaliters, then to hectoliters.
berarti bergeser ke sebelah.
It means that there are 3 points that we pass. So 300 divided by 10, divided by 10, divided by 10. So 150 divided by 10 divided by 10 plus 300 divided by 10 divided by 10 divided by 10 equals 1.5 plus 0.3 equals 1.8 hectoliters.
Bagi 10 ada 15. Kita bagi lagi dengan 10. Hasilnya 1,5. Kemudian 300 dibagi 10 ada 30, dibagi 10 lagi, dibagi 10 lagi berarti 3, dibagi 10 lagi hasilnya adalah 0,3, maka 1,5 ditambah 0,3 hasilnya 1,8 hektoliter.
Friends, you can try using other or more varied numbers to change this volume unit. Then you can also use the subtraction arithmetic operation.
Juga bisa menggunakan operasi hitung pengurangan.
That's all for our learning this time. Hopefully it is useful. Thank you.